Hello everyone, welcome to my wireless and mobile communication lecture series. In this lecture, I will explain the introduction to wireless communication, the birth of wireless ideas. First of all, James Clerk Maxwell predicted the existence of electromagnetic waves in 1864, and then Heinrich Hertz proved Maxwell's theory by generating and detecting radio waves in 1888. Then early wireless communication, Guglielmo Marconi sent the first wireless Morse code signal in 1895, then first transatlantic radio signal in 1901. Wireless used for ship to shore communication in 1912. In commercial radio and broadcasting, first AM station in 1920 in US. Shortwave FM radio introduced. Wireless used in World War II for military communication in 1930 to 1940. And then mobile and satellite communication. Launch of Sputnik in 1957, beginning of satellite-based communication. Telstar 1, first active communication satellite in 1962. First mobile phone call by Martin Cooper. The brand is Motorola in 1973. Then 1G launched in 1980. And digital wireless revolution, 2G launched in 1991, first digital cellular system, and in 2001 3G launched, and that brought mobile internet video calling system, then introduced for short range wireless data transfer by Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. In modern era, 4G launched in 2010, enabled high-speed internet and HD streaming. 5G launched in 2020, ultra-fast speeds, low latency, powering IoT, AR or VR, autonomous systems. In satellite internet, Starlink, OneWeb aims to provide global broadband. Now I will discuss about fixed network. Basically, there are two types of networks. One is fixed network and another is mobile network. In fixed network, a fixed network is a land-based telecommunication system where the end user is connected to the network through a wired medium. Here I have visualized a conceptual diagram. Here I used physical cables like copper wire, fiber optic wire, coaxial wire, mostly stationary devices such as landlines, desktops, modems. It is reliable and stable connection, commonly used for internet and voice communication. For an example, PSTN, traditional telephone system, DSL, internet over copper lines, fiber optic broadband, cable TV networks. Basically application, home and office internet, landline telephone service, cable TV distribution, enterprise level data transfer. There is advantage and disadvantage. In terms of advantage, it is a high reliability and quality, less interface than wireless networks, better bandwidth than fiber optics. And there is also disadvantage, expensive. It is expensive for installation in remote areas. Lack of mobility. That means there is no mobility. slower development compared to wireless system. Now, in terms of mobile network, a mobile network is a wireless network that enables communication and data transfer using radio signals between mobile devices and base stations, which are connected to a core telecom infrastructures. Here some components, key components for mobile networks such as MS mobile stations, BSS base station substream, NSSS network substreams, and core network and internet gateway. Here I have visualized conceptual diagram for mobile network. This is mobile station MS. The signal is generated by mobile station and then it takes by BTS. Then it's gone to base station controller and the internet gateway. Finally, it goes to internet gateway. In terms of technology, 2G, 3G, long-term evolution, and 5G. 5G for ultra-fast and low latency services. And there is also applications, mobile voice and video calling systems, mobile internet access, mobile banking, location tracking, IoT and smart city connectivity. In considerable advantages, mobility, access service anywhere within any coverage, scalability, easy to expand coverage. There is also rapid development, faster than fixed setups. And disadvantage, there is also disadvantage, signal infrastructure affected by weather, buildings, bandwidth limitations. Shared spectrum may slow down data. There is also security concern. Wireless signals can be intercepted. Now I will discuss about comparison between mobile network and fixed network. There is also connectivity feature, mobility feature, installation feature, speed and bandwidth feature, infrastructure system, and cost in urban areas, use case examples. I will discuss in details in my next video about PSTN, DSL, key components of mobile network. Thanks for watching my lecture. Thank you.